Hi, Achim from American Runabouts. As you can see, next step's done. You saw me sanding a little bit and fixing a couple of spots. So now the orange coat is on, which I think came out okay. There's a few minor things that, I mean, it's still a 40-year-old boat, and obviously you can overdo this and here a little bit and here a little bit and spend tons of time. Generally spoken, I'm super happy with the result. So it will dry now overnight. I mean, it's already pretty dry, but I mean, to continue, we have to tape it off because we have this white accent stripes that you've seen on the original one, which we're gonna paint on, of course, again. And that will do tomorrow. And so tomorrow evening, I'll show you the final result regarding the paint job. Then we'll load it on a trailer and move it to the new workshop. And then we will start basically rebuilding it, windscreen, cleats, engine, interior, etc., 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 where we get you regular updates again. So far, thanks for watching. Hope you like this. If you do so, please hit the subscribe button and this little bell so you get notifications when we have new videos on. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.